of the curve with the latest gadgets, tech trends, and practical how-to guides. You're in the right place. Here's a sneak peek at what TEKLI is bringing to the table. Latest tech news and trends. Get up to speed with breaking tech news, product launches, and industry trends that are shaping the future. Step-by-step tutorials, from mastering the latest software updates to troubleshooting hardware issues. My easy-to-follow guides will walk you through everything you need to know. App recommendations and walkthroughs. Discover the most useful and innovative apps for productivity, creativity, and everyday use, along with walkthroughs on how to get the most out of them. Tech tips and tricks. Learn insider tips and tech hacks that will make your digital life easier, faster, and more secure. Tech deep dives. Explore topics like AI, cybersecurity, blockchain, and the future of tech innovation with expert insights and breakdowns. Gaming tech and reviews. If you're a gamer, we'll dive into the latest consoles, gaming accessories, and the best setups to elevate your experience. Emerging tech and innovations. Stay updated on the latest in AI, VR, AR, robotics, and other futuristic technologies that are reshaping industries. With TEKLI, you'll get the knowledge you need to stay ahead in the fast-moving world of tech. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. We've got exciting content coming your way every week, and trust me, you won't want to miss out. Let's explore the limitless possibilities of technology together.